Today I am reviewing the Aircove Wi-Fi 6 VPN router for home. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. In the modern digital age, securing your internet privacy and protecting your personal data has become absolutely paramount. Most of us use virtual private networks on our phones or computers, but what happens to all the other connected tech in our homes? Today, we are taking an in-depth, hands-on look at a brilliant piece of networking hardware designed to eliminate security gaps entirely. The ExpressVPN Aircove Wi-Fi 6 VPN router. Specifically designed for the United States and Canada, this unique router brings world-class, network-wide encryption directly into your living room. If you want a seamless way to secure your entire home without the hassle of installing individual software on dozens of separate gadgets, let's break down exactly how the Aircove operates and why it is a total game-changer for digital privacy. The standout feature of the Aircove router is that it features a world-class, built-in VPN developed exclusively by ExpressVPN. Normally, setting up a VPN on a standard home router requires complex, frustrating technical steps like flashing custom firmware or messing with complicated configuration scripts. ExpressVPN has completely disrupted this process. The Aircove comes right out of the box with the software pre-installed, offering an incredibly smooth and user-friendly interface. While you do need an active ExpressVPN subscription to run the network-wide encryption, the router thankfully includes a free 30-day trial for new users with absolutely no credit card required, allowing you to test out the full ecosystem completely risk-free. What truly makes the Aircove a powerhouse is its ability to protect an unlimited number of devices simultaneously. Think about all the hardware scattered around your house. Your smart televisions, gaming consoles, smart thermostats, security cameras, and voice assistants. Most of these smart home appliances are completely incompatible with traditional VPN applications, leaving them vulnerable to data tracking and network exploits. The moment any device connects to the Aircove Wi-Fi signal, it instantly enjoys ironclad 24/7 encryption. Despite the constant background security layer, hardware performance remains excellent. The Aircove is a modern Wi-Fi 6 dual-band router that delivers blazing fast speeds of up to 1200 megabits per second. It splits its performance effectively, offering up to 600 megabits per second on the highly stable 2.4 GHz band and up to 1200 megabits per second on the hyper-fast 5 GHz band. With a robust coverage footprint of 1,600 square feet, it easily blankets a standard apartment or multi-room home, ensuring that everyone in your household gets the high-speed, lag-free bandwidth they need for streaming, gaming, and working from home. One of the coolest features of the Aircove's custom operating system is the device groups functionality. This completely eliminates the biggest headache of traditional router-based VPNs. Instead of forcing your entire household to use a single server location, the intuitive dashboard lets you drag and drop your devices into distinct groups, each mapped to its own unique VPN location. This means you can place your smart television in a United Kingdom group to stream an international sports match, keep your laptop in a local domestic group to handle your online banking safely, and set your gaming console to bypass the VPN entirely to maintain the lowest possible ping. It offers absolute, granular control over your network traffic with a simple, visual layout. Beyond identity protection and global server switching, the Aircove comes packed with robust built-in parental controls and advanced threat protection features. Directly from a user dashboard, you can easily set up internet access schedules, block adult content, filter out intrusive tracking scripts, eliminate annoying advertisements, and shield your network from known malicious websites. Remarkably, these advanced safety and ad-blocking layers remain fully operational and active even if you choose to toggle the primary VPN connection off. As a quick purchasing note, this specific version is tailored to comply with localized wireless regulations and only ships within the United States and Canada, though it functions identically to ExpressVPN's international version. If you are tired of juggling individual privacy apps, want to block trackers at the source, and need a reliable way to safeguard every single smart appliance in your household under a single umbrella, the ExpressVPN Aircove Wi-Fi 6 router is an incredibly smart, high-performance investment in your family's long-term digital security.